Hello, everyone. My name is Oleg. I'm leading research efforts at Brain Corporation. So let's just go through this, last talk. So let's survive through that, and my accent as well. This talk is about sensory fusion for scalable indoor navigation. As you heard, first I really want to also sign up on this words that person from Anki said, that they had like really awesome piece of hardware. So I'm really sad that they went out of business. We kind of started actually in time close together with Anki, but we went completely different route at some point, which I'm going to tell you about. All right. So our vision is that robots are everywhere, helping people with all different chores and so on. And one thing that we realized that a lot of robots actually exist today already, at least robotic bodies. So what we decided to do, instead of building a new robot, we decided to look around and see what kind of machines are already operating in the environment, already doing its job, and let's just try to automate those so that we don't compete on kind of functionality, right? But we try to improve only on intelligence. This is our kind of pilot project. So our marketing team did very good job. They realized that actually apparently everyone has floors, and this is our first product where I got quite successful in the sense of everyone wants to do something with cleaning floors, right? So we just took a manual machine which is already used, so we didn't redesign anything. We actually have a history in like deep learning, neuroscience. We had no idea how to do cleaning machines or anything. So we partnered with a company that does that for a living, and pretty much put sensors on it and made a fully autonomous robot. So it's kind of indoor self-driving, really, right? So it's a full autonomy. You cannot bump into anything, into any obstacles. So it's in between Roomba and Tesla, really. So you can see from this demo that we operate in environments which are really designed for people, right? For humans. So there's obviously no marking, nothing, right? You see all these crazy objects around you, glass sticking out, stickers with price, fruits here, right? So just completely crazy environment, really, right?